That's a secret word. They can use it all the time in Thailand. Thank you so much for joining me today. My name is Bodo and this is Bodo Thai. So today, the first lesson, how to say hello in Thai. You're going to have to use this sooner or later, right? I mean, you arrive in Thailand. Yeah, you want to make friends, like a normal people do, So how do you say hello in Thai? I'm going to teach you that right now. There's a proper way to say it, and an improper way to say it, and a casual way to say it, and friendly way to say it. So, how to say hello in Thai? Sawadee. 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 Say it with me. Sawadee. A little faster. Sawadee. Sawadee. If you're a man and you want to be polite, you say, Sawadee krap. Or if you don't want to use the R in there, you can just drop the R. Just say, Sawadee krap. Sawadee krap. Sawadee krap. Sawadee krap. If you're a woman, you say, Sawadee ka. Sawadee ka. Sawadee ka. And if you want to get a little cheeky with the ladies, or if you want to get free stuff, I have a secret for you. That's a secret word. They can use it all the time in Thailand. If you don't want to use krap or ka, you use the word ja. Trust me. Sawadee ja. Sawadee ja. Sawadee ja. If you want free stuff, I tell you, man. You at the street food stall and you see these aunties making food for you and she's all sweaty and stuff and you want a bigger portion, right? You say, Sawadee ja. Oh my God, she's gonna love you so much. I tell you, she's gonna give you even more food for free. Now, let's recap. First, how to say hello in Thai. Sawadee. Sawadee. Sawadee krap. Or, proper way is Sawadee krap. For woman, Sawadee ka. Sawadee ka. You can elongate the word krap or ka at the end to emphasize the feeling of being so genuine and nice and polite and friendly. You want to be friendly to locals, right? So you say Sawadee krap. Sawadee ka. Or Sawadee ja. Man, people are going to love you left and right. And trust me, you're going to write me and you say, Bodo, you know what? This is the best lesson ever. I'm going to go back and subscribe to you. If you haven't done that, please do it right now. You know what? I really want to teach you how to speak like locals. I really want to teach you how to speak to the locals and speak with a native tongue. Right? Just like I do. I get free stuff all the time because you are nice. You are polite to people. You don't just going around saying, Sawadee krap, Sawadee krap. People are going to look at you like, who's this fool? Just like you looking at me right now, like, who's this fool? Why should I listen to him? Well, you know what? I might be a fool, but I know what I'm doing. So I'm going to teach you tips and tricks how to get free stuff, get people to love you, people to like you, and people who help you out. People might even give you money. It's true, yeah? Some of the phrases might even save your life. So you're going to call me back, you're going to write back to me and say, you know what, Bodo? I'm so sorry I called you a fool, man. You know what? You're right. You saved my life. Trust me. This right here is going to be the best YouTube Thai lesson ever in your life, my friend. So, if you like this kind of content, please give me a like and subscribe, It'll be the world to me. So I will see you next time.